ऐसे ही देखो कि मैं बस अपना एक्सपीरियंस, अपना सच मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ बस। इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है। ना ये कोई ऐसा कि भाई ऐसे ही करना चाहिए। तो दिक्कत वही है कि लोगों को चाहिए कि उनको ये बता दो कि ये ऐसे करना है तो वो कर देंगे, बट हमारा मिशन वो नहीं है। हमारा मिशन ये है कि लोग खुद से समझें कि उनको क्या सही है।
ज्ञान के पीछे चलते जाओ कहाँ जाओगे, यहीं पे आओगे।
I hope good comes. Who cares about being God? I can easily die in the side of love. Love is awesome. Not to fame. I don't want fame. Yes. So a lot of people have come and claiming like this, they are the Kalki Avatar, they are this, they are that, they are the next Krishna, they are that. Now this is my entry. My entry is non-glamorous. Racist people? Don't worry. Jesus Christ, Father, is here. Maybe this is the end of the life. Who knows? भाई अब तो आरंभ है, प्रचंड करना ही पड़ेगा। हमें शिवा की जरूरत है, समझ रहे हो? शिवा इज नीडेड. Now I can actually justify my story. How I became God basically. Now I have a story. So I needed this fight. Hello guys. तो भाई अब मैं हो गया डिसीजन, मतलब ना, मतलब जनता बिल्कुल मूक बधिर हो गई है. किसी के पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा है, किसी के पास भी. लाइक ओपनली कोई भी किसी को मार पीट सकता है और साइड वाले लोग ऐसे ही देखते रहेंगे और उनके लिए वो गेम होगा. और पुलिस भी कुछ ऐसे नहीं है कि हाँ नहीं, हाँ भाई तुमको चोट लगी है तो तुम्हारी हेल्प की जाए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's not fair at all. And basically media is not here. Obviously media is not here. Media is propaganda only, state propaganda. So what's happening right now is this guy, see, now they are blinking at me only. So now they want to talk to me because they are more interested in the guy who got bitten rather than the guys who were actually the culprit. Because maybe their skin color, maybe something else, who knows. Everything is there. Race, standard of living, money, so many factors. तो भाई अब तो आरंभ है, प्रचंड करना ही पड़ेगा. हमें शिवा की जरूरत है, समझ रहे हो? शिवा इज नीडेड. सम एग्रेशन इन द अर्थ. बुद्धा इज नॉट एनफ नाउ. Peace is not enough. Because the other side is not peaceful at all. And they don't care about peace at all. It's like free for all. Oh my God. Now I can actually justify my story. How I became God basically. Now I have a story. So I needed this fight. I was thinking it will be some like bullet or something. Like somebody will shoot at me and it will be like life and death situation and I will survive. And then I will show that I am God, that I cannot be killed. But yeah, it has to be this way, more simpler way, like rather than a bullet. Ramdas, what kind of country you were living in, man? Lunatics. People are seriously lunatics. They are not human beings at all. Mostly the police won't do anything. I know. Because they don't care, you know, they are powerful enough. So these people basically, they have never felt on the other side. I mean, they have never been on the weaker side of the spectrum. You understand? So because of that, they obviously their life is good. So Buddha's first noble truth is not valid for them. Like the first noble truth is life is suffering. For them it is not, because they are toying with the world, but they are doing whatever they are doing. So now a car has come and parked in the parking lot. Maybe this is the end of the life. Who knows? I did well. I lived honestly, truthfully. Never did anyone any bad. I lived like Jesus. He died too. I had no problem in dying. Now the good people are here. The other party, police party. You can see them, yeah.
Come here for a second.
No, I'm recording you, don't worry. Why should I come there?
You want to give us your name?
My name is Christ Father.
Christ Father.
Yes.
You don't want to? No? Okay.
Who is the father of Christ, Jesus Christ? Do you know the name?
Bye.
Oh, goodbye. What did you do that to that guys? Racist people? Don't worry. Jesus Christ, Father, is here. And he won't die. Everyone will be judged. Everyone. So this is my in story to come in as a god. Let's see how my story fares. So a lot of people have come like and claiming like they are the father of Jesus Christ. They are the Kalki Avatar. They are this. They are that. They are the next Krishna. They are that. Now this is my entry. My entry is non-glamorous. Not to fame. I don't want fame. I said the truth even in that fight. I am very surprised how calm I am in my life. Seriously. I am bleeding from everywhere and I was so calm. And that was the same calm I was when I crossed the traffic. Like right in the middle of anywhere. I was like, okay, God is saying cross the traffic, cross the traffic. That was part of the test. To see like if I have fear of death or not. Who is listening? Doesn't matter who is listening. At the frequency I am thinking, my energy should be enough. If it is not enough, then I am not the one. I mean, I'm very honest about it. Because God always works in mysterious ways. If God works in ways which human can understand, then there won't be magic. There won't be God. So the seed has already been sown. It's the fruit. Time for the fruit. This is the time of the fruit. Now it's too late. You cannot cut the tree now. It's too late. They will be haunted today. Those guys who fight for me. Whether they see hell or heaven in their mind depends on their intention. So in the old war of Mahabharata also, there were a lot of people who fight on like different sides. So like Bhishma Pitama, who was the grandfather, okay, there was the entire clan. He was the oldest, like grandfather. So he fought on Kaurava's side. And what was his intention of fighting on Kaurava's side? That matters, right? Was he fighting just because he thinks those are the legitimate heir to the throne? Or there is some other reason? Or he just enjoys his kind of position in the cabinet? It's like what Trudeau does in Canada, whether he is racist or not, whether he would raise the voice for an Indian person getting beaten in Toronto, right in the middle of anywhere, whether he does something or not, it's based on his character, and that will be part of his karma. Ignorance is not a factor here. Because knowing God is not a factor of ignorance. Anybody can know God. I mean, Jesus Christ came, everybody came, they told you how to reach God. There are so many techniques and everything. Everybody is karma. Everybody is playing a part in the story, but they are not playing their part honestly. So like police is not honestly playing the part of police. Police is bribed. Police care more for the strong people, for the white people, for certain section in society than for the other section in the society. So they are not according to the dharma. Like in Buddhist it is dhamma. In Hinduism it is dharma, which is Krishna told, like basically dharma is how people should live. and it's not a written code like constitution or something, but it's a indirect way of telling like this is how you should live life. And those people who reach enlightenment, who reach God, who knows what is God, who knows about who are they, who knows what is this universe, any of these questions, if they can answer in their mind, they will understand what God is. And I will look straight in you. Let's say, I might be the biggest foolish person here, but it's all right. So I am fighting for the right cause. When you are fighting for the right cause, you don't live in regrets. You always die peacefully. If my whatever, like my sacrifice here raises so many Shivas in people, people who are ready to be enlightened as well as fight. Like it's not like Buddha. If you are enlightened, just like sits as some stone and just like look at stars. If everybody becomes Buddha, who will protect these Buddhas? Who will protect this knowledge? Who will protect like the reason of the existence? We need Shiva. We need power. We need Shakti. Bhishma, by just being a witness, just by being a witness to an act which was against the society, a woman was just being disrobed right in front of all of these people. And he still chose not to be human, but to be a grandfather. Because his responsibility as a grandfather was superior to his responsibility as a human being. Like someone needs help. Here, nobody cares. This is dark age, right? Kali Yuga. Nobody cares about truth. Everybody cares about their family. Everybody cares about their systems, their position in the society. It's fine. See, I am fighting on like Mother Earth. Because even a tree should just stand and be happy as a tree. Somebody whose meditation is basically being a tree. Someone who wants to just meditate and go away from life. And somebody who is just violent and comes and attacks that person while in meditation for some time. But when that guy start doing his meditation in fighting, which I need to learn now. Apparently there are a lot of people who want to fight in this world. I mean, if you want a fight, you will get a fight. That's fair. See, people want love, you give love. People want hate, you give hate. People want suffering, then you give suffering. It's their choice. My job is to reflect everyone as they are. The main fault was of that girl actually. She wanted it to fight. Basically, it was her ego claim. Like, she can make these men fight over her. So just because I was looking at her, she was so enraged. You understand? Because she actually just wanted to show her power. Because she is actually very weak physically. So what will she do? She is like, okay, I have to, because of my body charm, I have these two, bodyguards with me. Who I have any distress, they will come and fight. But that charm will only last for like 20 years, 25 years, then you will be done. What will you use then? She is going to be very miserable in her life. Like very miserable. Because that kind of attention you don't get when you get old, your charm is fade away. Everything will go away. There's no love in her life. I'm still sane. In the middle of nowhere, after getting beaten up. See, I'm still sane. Mind is very good. So basically, you can give me any kind of drug or anything in this world. Nothing in this world can make me go out of balance now. Nothing. No amount of pain. I have found that sense of consciousness where you just know. Even if you know contact with your senses, like even my eyes are closed and everything is there, I just know it is there. It is inside you, right? That's what like Buddhist Zen people call it. This is the safe space inside you, that where you are, where nobody can reach. So any kind of violence, like violence against body is most prevalent in women, right? Somebody encroaches your body without your permission. Somebody encroaches my land without my permission. That is different type of violence. Somebody encroaches my body without my consent. That is what people call sexual assault. like if it happens between male to male, it won't be sexual assault. It will be like a fight. If it happens between a female and male, when the male try to like overpower the body of a female, that is kind of sexual. It's the same thing because it's a physical domination over the other's body, right? Because people claim the right of how much area they can occupy in their bodily states. So that's why money is more important, because then